During the week starting on 24th March 2025, Comparative Research Network held its local workshop for the Circular City project in Berlin, with a small group of newly arrived young Polish migrants. Here are some of its key moments. Tuesday was a study day. After a short introduction to the circular economy, participants were given a playful task to familiarize themselves with the key concept of the waste hierarchy. Working in tandems, they had to rank 10 strategies from an R framework, such as rethinking, refurbishing, repairing, recycling, and recovering energy, as to their best potential for implementing circular principles. This was followed by an indoors circular walk, during which they consulted one-page descriptions of circular businesses in different economic sectors from the game Circular. In a final session, small teams were asked to come up with an idea for a circular business model and to pitch it to the group. Among the proposals were the Lunch Market, a safe food shop that would sell delicious treats made from leftovers, reboots for repairing your favorite old shoes, and a textile recycling project to sell attractive, eco-friendly and healthy clothes.
Is reboots, and we're rebooting boots, repairing shoes. So if you don't want to buy new shoes, but you very much like your old, but maybe not shoes, but they're maybe not in a so good form, we are here for you.
And why should you choose us? Because boots repairing is a lost art and there are not many cobblers left. And remember, your boots deserve a second life because these boots are made for walking.
Okay, so we are the Lunch Market and we want to stop wasting the food because the restaurants around us are wasting a lot of food and we don't want to do this anymore. So this is Daria and she is our taste chef. So she makes the best taste compositions from the leftover things from the restaurants, and we are selling them for the cheaper prices to our customers. The restaurants are benefiting from this because it would be wasted otherwise. We are benefiting and we can do more good for you. So the Lunch Market, cheap and eco.
We are the company that produces Infinited Fiber. It's made from the textile materials, the cotton, and we can
reduce pollution from textile products by doing it.
Yes, and we produce the material that is very attractive to your skin, that is very safe for your allergic skin, and you can wear it as long as you can.
And be eco-friendly with it.
Yes. And look
Fiberless.
Yeah, that's it.
Highlights on the other days were field trips to circular economy initiatives, the first to the nearby makerspace of the Boit Technical University on Wednesday, which is open to the general public once every week. The space offers a wide range of tools, including professional sewing machines, a 3D printer, and a laser cutter, as well as practical advice and technical support from members of the team that is running the Open Door program. Repair jobs and realizing personal projects are among the most popular activities practiced by visitors. On Thursday, the participants visited Nochmal, a local second-hand department store of the Berlin's public agency for city cleaning, whose name is a pun on the German Nochmal, once more, and the American word Mal. Nochmal's assortment comprises, among other consumer goods, household and office furniture, clothes, sports equipment, electrical household appliances and kitchenware, materials for decoration, books and various media, artworks and handicraft. but also its range of green brands, that is, sustainable products crafted by Berlin designers from used objects in a process of upcycling. In addition, Nochmal organises auctions and courses in environmental education and runs a pickup service for bulk waste.